Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see what's going on with Ethereum and with the crypto market as altcoins. So we have 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5 4 and a 5 still as a potential wave 1 here. We still ranging around the 0.786 taken from the low here to the top of the wave 1, meaning we still in a potential 1 2. Your wave 2 is an A, B, and a C. Problematic thing right now is still that we need one more move toward the downside, meaning this one more move can take the 886 and maybe just taking the low and starting to push toward the upside. Currently, we have a wave 4 unfolding, and based on the time for this wave 2, we need this wave 4, of course, to be an ABC over there. Let's watch it inside it on the 1 hour chart here. As you can see, the A, the wave B is a W, X, and a Y, wave B, and then we're looking for wave C upward. This wave C is a double 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 to reach a 1-to-1 flip level, taken from the A to the B to the C. I believe that this can still be hit, but don't forget, of course, that the macro level still suggesting a downtrend here. Therefore, the risk of selling pressure to come back is very high. We are in the red zone already, and it can of course end it up as it wants to here, the market, because it's a correction at the end. It is already long enough. We hit the time already, but it still can of course range a little bit for higher here to reach the target. All right, now basically because we didn't finish yet the target or the impulse here, of course I'm still looking for higher potentially to finish it up, unless it wants to finish it up here as a 1 2 3 4 and a 5. That would be very risky. Be careful. 1 2 3 wave 3 longer than wave 1, everything is fine. Wave 4 not interfering with zone 1, everything is fine. And that means, of course, yes, it can be a finished impulse, especially that you took the high already. If you take the line over there, you will see, let me just put it in precision. There you go. Come on. That's that's very hard. Okay, so anyway, we took the high here, especially from this high for wave A. So if the market is going to trick us and take it, of course, for lower, take us for lower prices, that is going to be, of course, a trap. Be careful. 1 2 3 4 5 can be finished wave C, without reaching exactly the target, finishing wave 4 over there. Very officially, it can be finished. Okay, we gotta be careful. Internally, I'm not convinced yet that this is a signal of strength here. Well, we're gonna see if this is a leading diagonal, because those are 3 ways, 3 ways, all of them. So basically, if this is a 1 2 3 4 5 leading diagonal, well, you don't want to see the price taking the low. Okay, and currently, if this is a 1 2, well, you want to see continuation toward the upside before taking this low. Meaning, if we take this low there, consider that it is done. We're push for lower, honestly. And invalidation is very close in case we push in a zigzag. Don't forget A, B, and a C. This might be very, very deep. I would say it can be, of course, reversing. But of course, the risk is very, very high here. Therefore, no financial advice, of course, but I recommend to watch what's going to happen in this area. It's very confusing right now because you can be in a finished impulse, or you can be in double 1 2 3 4 5. Can the wave 4 be very deep and then pushing for higher, but it can take invalidation and tell us, oops, we took 1 2 3 4 5, and then we push for lower. So it's very, very risky. That's exactly what I want to say. It's a very risky position, and of course, the higher possibility for me as probabilities, it goes for the bearish, honestly, sooner or later, whether from here or from there. I'm still looking for one more low, because this one more low has to be taken. Don't forget that you are in a final impulse here as an A, B, and a C. The wave B is there. You have 1 2, and then wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, so yeah. Final decision will be for KGT as well, of course, here as confirmation. As you can see, KGT for Ethereum shows invalid bullish, invalid bearish. This is very rare to happen on KGT, but don't forget that this happens when we are in a confusion. And that means, yes, the market is confused as well. Like, is it a finished impulse here? Or is it 1212? We're looking for higher, but what's going on in there? Okay, we got a leading diagonal, but we see a lot of weakness yet. So invalidation of bearish, invalidation of bullish, yeah, so confusion. And of course, KGT always give us exactly what the market thinks here in case, of course, of confusion or bullish or bearish. It gives us, of course, the signal here. If it was bearish, it will give us. If it was bullish, it will give us as well. But it gives invalidation both. That means, of course, is a total confusion here. And as per Elliott Wave, I would say it is the same scenario, is the same case here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Okay, maybe finished, but maybe also double 1, 2. So we cannot, of course, trade on a maybe. Therefore, just let's stay aside and watch what's going to happen. And we'll see what the decision will be, and then we follow. Yep, so this is regarding Ethereum. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.